YouTube and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you holiday designs. So sit back and relax and watch me work. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright you guys, this Christmas design right here of course was done around Christmas time. I had a big break around this time, so I just want to show you guys a lot of the things that I've done in between the holidays. So this is my Christmas with the Christmas tree on the index finger, a frost design on the middle finger, rocked out ice bling on the other, and then the pinky, I just thought maybe another shade of green would be nice. All of them have different shades of green, which I thought was pretty cool. And then the thumb is exactly like blinged out Christmas tree looking green glitter with red rhinestones. You really can't see that, but that's how I had that one, blinged out with green glitter. Alright you guys, so right here I kind of got out of the green and the red and the fall colors kind of early, but I did some little butterflies here with some rhinestones. I just felt like pink. I felt like just popping some pink on my hand, so this is the design here. Okay, so both hands were a little different, so I showed both hands. So now we're going to get ready for our Ray Ray. She's back. So Ray Ray got her holiday design for Valentine's. We just wanted to be bold and different with this one. She said, girl, hook me up for my man, girl. Like, give me something different like nobody else got. So I was like, okay, girl. So I got her a white and dark pink bowling ball effect. You may even call it a marble effect that we did with Ray Ray. We got red rhinestones, and we also have some stickers I had got for her, Valentine's Day stickers. And here I go for my love of my life. I got my little holiday design here. It's just a clear effect on the index finger on one hand and on the next to the pinky on the other. They are clear with hearts, solid hearts, and glitter designs. As you see, each finger represent a different shape. I fell in love with that, so thought it was pretty cool. And I actually did a foil effect on the tips. That's red foil. It actually have hearts inside of that design, and then I ended up embellishing it with glittered circles and hearts. So please visit my store at www.CandyDivasPressOnNails.etsy.com or contact me at CandyDivasPressOnNails@gmail.com.